Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that today market tried to close this above 40,400 but it could not sustain there and it totally goes sideways today. So my suggestion would be if you can clearly see here that from the last 3 days it made that high around 40,400. So if tomorrow it breaks that high which is 40,400, then you can expect some buying trade here. Target will be around 40,600 first, next target will be 40,850 and third target will be round level 41,000. And for taking any kind of selling trade, it needs to close this below 40,100. Then after that, we're going to take any kind of selling trade. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that it continuously trades in that zone, which is 40,400 to 40,200. And when market halted in that range, when it breaks that, it made saw strong negative movement here. But immediately it took support from that 40,100 level. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market trades above the trend line or trades above 40,400, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 40,600 to 40,850. And if it opens gap up around 40,600 and shows positive movement after that, then you can also take trade for buying, because previously it took resistance from that level. So if it opens gap up around that zone and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. And for selling, if it opens gap down or if it trades below 40,100 as I said in one day candle chart, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 39,900 first, next target will be 39,750. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. So in Nifty, you can clearly see here that Nifty continuously shows negative movement from the last 9 to 10 days, and today it also shows some kind of negative movement here. So my suggestion would be if tomorrow market opens flat and once again it goes down, then you can extract some selling pressure here, and target will be around 70,200. But if it opens large gap down and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, because from the last 10 days it shows negative movement. Then if it opens gap down, large gap down, then it may be show some profit booking there. And if it opens gap up and if it trades above 70,350, then you can expect some buying trade here. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly notice here that it continuously goes down from the last 10 days, and today it also made a negative pattern here, and when it breaks that, it shows some kind of negative movement. So my suggestion would be it needs to close above that, which is 17,350. Then after that, you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 17,440 to 17,480. But if it opens like gap up around 17,400 or above 17,450 and shows positive movement after that, then you can take trade for buying also, and target will be around 17,520 to 17,560. So any kind of positive movement, then we're going to take trade for buying. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components. So Bank Nifty components are providing that movement to Bank Nifty. So if it shows positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, and if it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling. And that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.